Hey everyone, this is Steven with Digital Marketing in a Flash, coming to you with yet another video. Today we're going to discuss one of my favorite Chrome extensions of all time, and it is Screencastify. It is the tool that I use to record all my videos, anything I'm using as far as tutorials, or if there's customer support that I need help with on any of the softwares or tools that I'm using, I'll make a quick video with Screencastify and send that over. It's extremely easy and free to use. Once again, you go into the Google store, the Google Chrome extension store, like the other Chrome extensions, and you download it and add it to your page. And what's really cool about Screencastify is that it connects directly with your Google Drive, so all the information you have is stored in one location, and you're able to pull videos at will. You're able to share your videos, publish them directly to YouTube. You can get the embedded code, so you can send that directly into a website, or you can send in Gmail. And it has really cool downloadable features. You can download this video, you can export it as an MP4 or export it as audio only, or export it as a GIF. And all these features come with the free version. And you also have the ability to edit directly from the timeline. So you can clip your videos and scale down information you need, information you don't need, all directly from the Screencastify editor. Which, if you're familiar with most video editing tools, Screencastify has a very simplistic version of this, which is very intuitive and easy to use. So any beginner could use this tool for 5 or 10 minutes and become a professional at it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.